everybody. So a little bit different video for you guys today. Surprise, you already know by the thumbnail, we're moving. Yes, we're going to be saying goodbye to our beautiful land, and I'm actually going to do a video showing you everything we've got while we're there. But we're going to be moving into this new house, and it's a fixer-upper, but we've got a lot of good help, and we're going to make things happen. So, 2-stall garage with a workshop. It's pretty dang cool. I've never had a house with its own garage, but let's take you inside. It's 2 stories. This house was built in 1937. So everything that you're gonna see here is all gonna be redone. So I just changed the lens on my camera because it wasn't wanting to focus right. So bear with me. But yeah, so here's the downstairs area. Like I said, it's all gonna be redone. So everything you see here, don't worry about it. So this is gonna be a movie theater. We're gonna have a projection screen. This whole bathroom's getting gutted down here. It's really gross and nasty, but you know what? There's a vision here. So we're gonna head upstairs. You guys are gonna be doubting me, I'm telling you. This is gonna be something else. Here's the kitchen area. Like I said, this is all getting gutted, and today we're gonna be ripping this up, this floor. There's this gorgeous hardwood underneath it. We've already started ripping up the carpet. We gotta pull these staples out, and underneath this linoleum, there is hardwood. So we're gonna redo all that. This at one point used to be a functioning fireplace, but it's now been bricked up. Sorry, I'm out of breath. You're gonna have to forgive me, guys. I've been unloading the truck. So this was the master bedroom. Now the camera's gonna make it look really small, but this house actually is pretty big. Cool little area here. Another bedroom. Another bedroom. Now here's where it gets really gross. So new vanities going in, new toilet, new tub and shower. But here's the thing. Here's the cool thing. So it's got this weird, useless room, and again, there's carpet through this whole thing. It's got no door, it's no purpose. So what we're actually gonna do, we're gonna take this back bedroom. It's got a decent sized closet, I guess. We're gonna take this bedroom and we're gonna knock this wall out. And it's got actually really tall ceilings. We're gonna knock this whole wall out, and before anyone says no, it's not mold, it's just really, really nasty cobwebs. They look black because of all the stuff that we've been stirring up. This place was gross. Like there was just stuff just piled everywhere. But we're gonna knock this wall out. It's not load bearing. And we're gonna make this one big room. Let me switch my camera lens. So I'm sorry, it's gonna look grainy and it might be a little weird, but I'll put the wide angle on so you can see better. Quality is not gonna be great because the lighting sucks in here. But we're gonna knock this wall out. We're gonna move the doorway to here, most likely. Open this whole thing up, or we may even move it to here, we're not sure yet. But we're gonna make this a grand master bathroom. Jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower, all that good stuff. We're gonna gain a whole lot of square footage. The back bedroom is gonna be an actual traditional master bedroom. But yeah, so right now, before we start ripping this linoleum up, let's head back downstairs. Oh, and just let me show you guys the view here. Maybe this will be a little better, maybe not, I don't know. But yeah. So we're still in Tennessee, just moving up the road. Let's head back downstairs. It's actually cooler down here. It's cool, so this house is kind of built into a hill. So if you look out, there is the hill. So where the movie theater is going to be, there is no windows. This is going to be nice. And it's actually really cool down here because technically we're underground. It's got a really cool Michigan basement underneath it, so you can have access to whatever we need. But yeah, so first things first, we are going to pressure wash this and the side of the house and get all the nasty grime and gross stuff gone. So, but yeah, I want to try my best to update you. I'm with my really good buddy Brian. I actually used to work for him, and right now he's bush hogging, knocking down the whole mess. But yeah, it comes with a barn and a storage shed down there. So I can get a zoom job on the Brian. Let's see here. Let's go for a walk. I can hear him down there. I don't know where he's at. He's somewhere. He's playing Farmer Brown right now on his old tractor and bush hog. He's down there somewhere. I don't know. He probably got lost. But anyways, we're gonna get to work. You guys want to put the satisfying? This right here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I tried to do an awesome time lapse, but for whatever reason, my camera is just not cooperating today. So we're just gonna have to paint this. I've tried everything to get this off, but yeah, this was all nasty and gross and stained from like, I don't even know how many years of neglect, but we've got everything in here sprayed down with cleaner, soaking, and this is all nicotine stains. Like that's gross, dude. That is so grody. So we're gonna start cleaning downstairs next, and at least getting it better than it was. Like, you see cleaners everywhere. So we're gonna get this cleaned up next, and then we're gonna head upstairs and start on these floors. So I might try another time lapse, but if it's not in the video, if I didn't edit it in, then you know that my camera said no. So stay tuned. So we're making our way down here. Check out the barn. It's full of stuff, dude. There. Do the wide angle on so you can see better. That's Brian upstairs talking. But yeah, we're gonna gut all this out. I've got a tractor that's gonna go in there. We're gonna put the boat in here, the big boat in here. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do with those other rooms. But yeah. I mean, we're sacrificing a whole lot of land for this, but I mean, it works for me. Still have not gone through that yet. So, I mean, she's old, but she's 30. Ain't nothing special, but you know what? I do what I need it to do. So, we're gonna keep on cleaning. All right, so I'm wore out. Right now, I'm back inside. Try to scrape this up. It's a mess. Hey, Brian.
What's up?
How you doing, buddy? Man, how hard is this? So, we're going to scrape up all this nasty linoleum because underneath it is virgin hardwood floors. Sand it all down, whole house, stain it, make it look real nice. But yeah, this sucks. So I'm gonna try to set you up and get you a time lapse, and all these cars are getting redone as well. So yeah. Guys, it's about time to call it quits. I'm exhausted. So Let me show you what we got so far. Sorry about the fan, but stopped right there. Everything's going towards the drain. Got to clean the drain back out, but everything in here is plugged, scrubbed, and cleaned on this side. But still got to do all of that side in that room. Haven't even touched this room yet. This is gonna be a whole other project. So now we got the lights on. Yeah, this is gross. This whole vanity is going out. That weird yellow and blue light fixture is going bye-bye. So this is not poop, it's sand. Yeah. I mean, toilet works, but that's sand, that's all in it. This is gonna get replaced. Yeah, that's getting yanked out of here. But started cleaning in here, got the mop bucket out, but we're gonna head upstairs and I'll show you how far we got. Oh boy, this place is a mess. Alrighty. So, that's as far as we got. So, pretty sure if they use roofing tar on this side, it was much easier to get up than this side, but we are beat. We've been at this for hours. Not sure if that time lapse is gonna work or not, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, we're gonna sand all this down. Under here was previously stained, but like I said, it's all hardwood underneath. Just try to get all that crap up, and it'll come up when we sand it. New cabinets, new countertops, new appliances, the whole nine. I gotta replace that window. Yeah, we're gonna sand all these down. And we gotta come up, or I will, remove all these staples first. So that'll be a job on its own. But yeah, so I think we're gonna go hit the lake. My boat's not done yet, but his is. So we're probably gonna call it quits and go get in the water because we're hot. It's like 1,000 degrees outside. There's no central heating there in this house. It's another thing that's coming next. But yeah, we're gonna start shutting her down and go grab a cold one and get in the lake. Because it's about 4 o'clock. Still got a couple hours. We're gonna go enjoy ourselves on this beautiful Sunday. Nothing like working on my day off. So meet you there. All right, there's a little bit of weather. We're just clearing up. Gonna get on the water. Make something of this day. What do you think, Brian?
Oh yeah. It's late, but you know, it's calling.
Everybody, this is Brian Powers. He owns an auto dealership. You should go buy a car from this guy. Let's find out. It looks like a log.
Huh?
So it looks like a log. Yeah. I don't think we're gonna fit.
That's fine. Back up.
I think we need to fit there. That's definitely a log.
What about this side?
This side looks clear.
I'm in neutral.
I don't know, man. Yeah, this side looks all right.
You can't see the bottom.
No.
Oh, there's docks right there.
Yeah. Oh.
See the dock?
Yeah, that's a nice house too. Look at here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is tight.
A real tight fit. Oh yeah, that's nice.
All right.
If that wake sitter can get out, we can get out.
Yeah, seriously. I mean, looks pretty all right down here. Yeah.
It's a nice house.
Yeah, it is. Nice house. came back here to do a little bit of fishing. Struck out. It's just after a storm, but I mean, look at that sky, guys. Look at it. Yeah, so we're gonna try to cruise back and maybe hit the main channel and see what's what. What's going on, guys? It is another day. I was going to cut the video off of that one clip, but I decided, heck with it. Just gonna keep it rolling. So today, we are going to be cleaning out this 2-stall garage. We've already started cleaning out this. It's just loads of stuff in here. Nothing of any kind of value, really. I mean, there's a couple things, just odds and ends, but nothing that was really worth keeping. We've got a dumpster filled full of stuff, but yeah, we're gonna start cleaning this out. And the wide angle lens doesn't really show you how big this thing really is. I mean, it's only 2 stalls, but it's got some cool stuff. Like, it's got this bad boy. So when we pull the motor out of the Mustang is going in here. It's got garage door openers, but I'm not sure if they work or not. I was told they work, but I'm not sure. So yeah, we're just gonna get to clean. I've already got most of the stuff out of here. I'm just gonna start sweeping the floor, set the camera up, and well, you guys know the rest. So check back in here in a few. Boom! Just like that. I mean, it's far from done, but at least the floor's swept. So now, Dummy needs some help with something down there. I don't know what the hell he wants to do. But whatever. Go juice. Alright, so don't make fun of us. But, oh God, we got a casualty. We got a casualty. Oh no. Oh no. There's what we got. Right now we're cleaning out the barn. The only way to get stuff up the hill. Hey, we had a casualty. There's a propane tank all the way down there. All right, guys. I know I didn't really film a whole lot. We just kind of got to work. I'm gonna beat. It's like 100 degrees out here. It's hot, but anyways, I'm gonna end the video off. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment if you want, and I will see you on the next one.